Then taon-taon, wala man gitubag sa Ginoo ang gimangayo. O wala na madagana. Men, wala naman gitubag. It's been 3 years I've been praying. Pero wala man gyapon gitubag sa Ginoo ang akong magipangako. Kinani mga igsoon, dili ta wholeheartedly nga nagtinguha sa akong Ginoo. So dahil lang atong Ginoo mga igsoon, we need to spend more time seeking the Lord mga igsoon. Men, prosita sa second paragraph.
Be very sincere about the 3 years
Second Samuel 21 verse 1 to 9 and verse 14. Then there was a famine in the days of David 3 years, year after year, and David inquired of the Lord. David did not simply open his lips and pray, "Oh God, this famine has lasted 3 years. Beseech thee to have mercy on us. Take this famine away from us and grant us this year." No, David didn't pray in that way.